In this video I am going to show you how to generate lots of t-shirt design idea very easily. Actually, before starting any t-shirt design, first of all you have to generate some t-shirt design idea, right? So I guess this video will be very helpful for getting idea. Indeed, you can get t-shirt design idea a variety of ways. For example, you can get t-shirt design idea from Pinterest.com. You know, Pinterest is a picture-based social site. Alright, now come to the point. Suppose you want to get cat related t-shirt design idea. So for that reason, go Pinterest.com, then search cat t-shirt like this. I am searching, just follow the process carefully. Then enter. After searching, you will get lots of cat related t-shirt design like this. Just follow carefully. You can zoom out it like this. It's a simply cool design, right? Okay, I'm going to back. Just follow carefully. Look at. Can you get the point? In this way, you can check anything as your wish. Look at. This is a typography based t-shirt design. Just follow, huh? It's a text based t-shirt design. Just makes sense, huh? Please see this. Simply cool, right? Actually, using this site, you can get easily lots of t-shirt design idea. Owing to the fact that I guess this is the best website for getting idea, especially t-shirt design. Okay, at the same time, I'm going to show you second way. You know, Google is our best friend for any purpose. So for getting t-shirt design idea, you can use Google. Just search your keyword. Suppose I need cat related t-shirt design idea. That's why I search cat t-shirt, then enter. Then choose images. And look at, there are also lots of design available. So you can choose anything as your wish. I am opening it. It's a shape and text based awesome design, right? He used I love my cat. Or you can choose this one. It's a very colorful design, right? Or you can choose this one. It's a cartoonish based design, right? In a word, you can check anything as your wish. Suppose I am opening this. It's a text based design. Totally cool, right? Or you can choose this one. Wow, super cool, right? So guys, I hope in this way you can get lots of t-shirt design idea by using Google. Finally, I want to show you the third way. You just go google.com, then search best t-shirt selling website. Then you will get lots of t-shirt design website like this. Teespring, you know, Teespring is a good site for t-shirt selling. So you can go any t-shirt selling website and check them their design for getting idea. Suppose I am opening it. Look at, there are lots of design available, right? Please follow. This is a cat related t-shirt design. So my dear guys, in the quick time, I tried to give you an overview that how to generate lots of t-shirt design idea very simply. I think you can get all the point very perfectly. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you in the next video. So stay connected for your best result.